Welcome back to Extreme Machine Power. Today, we're diving into the world of giant excavators. Machines so massive, they look like digging monsters on tracks. Here are the top 5 monster excavators ever built. Don't forget to subscribe for more extreme machines. Caterpillar 6090FS. Starting our list at number 5 is the legendary Caterpillar 6090FS. This monster can dig up to 74 cubic meters of material in a single scoop. It's one of the most reliable excavators in the world, used in some of the toughest mining sites. With a weight of over 1,000 tons, it's a true giant of productivity. Hitachi EX8000-6. Next up, the Hitachi EX8000-6 from Japan. This excavator can move around 72 cubic meters of material per scoop. It's designed to handle extreme heat and heavy-duty operations, a perfect example of precision engineering for massive projects. Komatsu PC8000-6 at number 3, the Komatsu PC8000-6. With a bucket capacity of 72 cubic meters, this hydraulic giant combines power and efficiency. Komatsu designed it for the most demanding mining operations, where both speed and reliability are essential. Its sheer size makes it a favorite among large-scale mining companies worldwide. Liebherr R 9800 coming in at number 2, the Liebherr R 9800. This German-engineered machine can handle up to 45 cubic meters per scoop and weighs nearly 800 tons. Its advanced hydraulic system and fuel efficiency make it one of the most cost-effective monster excavators. It's massive, powerful, and unstoppable. Bagger 288. And finally, at number 1, the Bagger 288, the world's largest walking excavator. This behemoth can move hundreds of tons of material per hour and stretches over 700 feet long. It's powered by multiple electric motors and can continuously operate in massive open-pit mines. The Bagger 288 isn't just an excavator, it's a true engineering marvel. Outro. These monster excavators are proof of just how far engineering has come. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more extreme machine power.